So what most people do when they want to run advert for their business is they simply come here on the ads manager and they start setting up advert. Is this the right way to do this stuff? I don't think so. There's nothing wrong with coming straight to the ads manager to set up your advert, all right? But then you are not going to get the kind of results that you demand. You're not going to get the kind of great results that you would like, all right? I mean, when you put in money into Facebook ads, you want to get some money back. You want to get some good profit. You want to make some sales. You want to make some reasonable amount of sales that will put money back into your purse, okay? So if you don't put things in the right order, if you don't follow the right process, if you don't do things the way it should be, then you are likely not going to get the kind of results that you like. And that is why I am creating this video to make some corrections, to help you make some corrections, so to show you exactly how you need to approach your advert henceforth so that you can get better results for your business, for your hustle, for whatever it is that you do, be it real estate, be it a restaurant, be it a cafe, be it a boutique, fashion, whatever it is you are doing, you are selling, all right? With this kind of strategy, you are definitely going to get more better results and more sales from Facebook ads, okay? So and that's why I'm creating this video, all right? Showing you how to get better results and more sales using Facebook adverts. My name is Courage and you are welcome to my channel. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. That's all I'm asking you. Like this video so that more people get to see my video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. So we're not going to beat around the bush. Let's just get started straight up. Let me show you exactly, or let's discuss, let's share. It's going to be a very brief and short video where you're going to learn a new and a more appropriate way to approach Facebook ads. So yes, right. The most important part of getting results with your advert is not setting up the adverts on the ads manager. Okay? You don't just come and then you come here, you just jump into ads manager, you click on create. Once you click on create, it brings up this interface of where you begin to select your campaign objective. This is how to set up adverts. Yes, but this is not the first step to take. So we're not going to be looking into the ads manager. We're going to be looking into what you need to start doing. Okay? We need to go and look into what you need to start doing. Like I said, the most important part is not setting up the ads. Okay? The first step towards running a successful Facebook ads campaign is your planning and your strategy. Your planning and your strategy. What are the plans that you have? Which strategy do you want to deploy that would make people buy what you are selling? The advert is going to put your product or your service in front of people. That is what the advert is going to do. The advert is not going to sell the product. The advert is not going to sell the product. The advert will put the product in front of the audience. How do you intend to sell the product? What is your plan? What are your strategies? You can have a good product, you can target the right audience, you can put the product or the service in front of the right audience, but how do you get money out of them? How do you make this audience to give you their money so that they can get the product or the service that you render? That is the question that you need to start looking for the answers to, right? Now, when you find answers to these questions, it will now lead you into the next step, which is how do you approach these people? Okay? So the first step is your planning and your strategy. What is your plan? People do not actually come on Facebook with the intention of buying anything. They are here, they're on Facebook to meet friends, to chat, to read, to just catch up. Some people are there to catch cruise. People are just scrolling through to see more information or new informations. Some people are there for gossip, for stories, for movies, for whatever. So you need to find a way to capture their attention while they are doing those things that they want to do. Right? Some people are there to catch up with their loved ones, with their family, with their friends, with people around the world. So you need to have a solid plan. that will help you penetrate into the mind of this audience, and a strategy that would help you bring the best out of your advert. So we look at four things now. Four things. How do you intend to attract people? That's one. What offers are you going to make? Now you have attracted people, right? What offers are you going to make? What kind of creative would you use? And then how would you close the sale? This is the most one of the most important area. You are going to attract people. Probably some people, some small business owners who do not have a website, they use WhatsApp. People are going to contact you on WhatsApp from your adverts. How do you close the sale? If people are contacting you and none of them is buying or none of them is paying, they keep telling you that I'll get back to you. You are losing out. You are losing money. You are not here to lose money. So how do you close the sale? These are the things we are going to look at in this video. So how do you intend to attract people? Okay, you stop them at whatever they are doing on Facebook, you capture their interest and you attract them. What kind of creative would you use? This is where you begin to think differently from every other business. You are not the only person doing your kind of business. There are other restaurants, there are other logistics, there are other fashion accessories, there are other fashion stores, there are other businesses, furniture, household, real estate, name it. There are a lot of them out there who are also running adverts to the same audience. To the same audience. So, how do you convince this audience that you are the better person for the job, or or you have the better product, or the superior product, or the best service? This is where you begin to think of the creatives that you use. What kind of creative is best for you? This is where user generated content comes into play. All right. You can begin to make use of user generated content, whereby people who have paid for your service, people who have used your service before, they can give you a feedback in form of a video. They can give you a video feedback or a video shout out. That's why sometimes you see some businesses using celebrities, influencer marketing. They use celebrity videos. Celebrities that has endorsed their product or the service, they use that video to run adverts. Because what? It builds immediate trust in the mind of those who are watching the advert. It doesn't look like an ad anymore. It looks like a conversation. When people see a celebrity that they know, and then they are watching the advert, they will not even know it's an advert until they purchase. If you don't have the money to use influencers like celebrities, you can use your normal customers, human beings, because people like to go to where other people are going. People love to enjoy the benefits that others are enjoying. So you can get your customers to give you a video testimonial, a video feedback, or you can pay people on TikTok to just make a dance video or any video promoting your product, and then you use that video to run adverts. User generated content. It looks very organic. All right? It looks very organic, but that is what will attract people, because they will believe that since other people are using your product and they're enjoying it, they themselves they would love to use it. Okay? So you have to think differently from what others are doing. If you sell stuff like blender, you don't sell a blender with an image. You do not sell a blender with a picture. No. You sell a blender with a video where you are blending stuff. Okay? It is called show, don't tell. When you use a picture, you are telling people that this blender is durable, is superb, it can blend this and that and that. You are telling them, they cannot see it. But when you create a video where you are yourself, your face, you are showing that video where you are blending those stuff, they are seeing you blending it. And as you are blending it, you are speaking. You are telling them, this is how to blend this. You put this here, you turn this place on, you put the wire here, you plug it here, you do this. They see exactly how you are doing it. They will watch the video to the end because the video is what is enlightening. So you are doing something absolutely different from what others are doing. If you are selling real estate properties, land properties, whatever, you don't just bring a picture of a land and say this is the, or a house. Take them on a tour of that house, of that building. Take them on a tour, show them different components, the walls, the kitchen, the cabinet, the rooms, the sitting room, the environment, right? Show them the land, the proximities, the access, the basic amenities surrounding the land, the appreciation rates. Show them these things. Don't just say it. Show it in the video. Take them on a tour, on a journey. Let their imaginations come to life. They will begin to imagine themselves using those items, buying those land, living in those houses, right? Using that blender, using that bag, that beautiful bag, rocking that gown, wearing those shoes, right? Show, don't tell. Let your customers give you feedback and reviews. Use user-generated content. Use piece of information that people are not used to. People are used to come and buy. Don't tell them to come and buy. Give them reason why they should buy. Then make an offer. You should be making an offer. In fact, the more offers you make, the more sales you make. The more sales you're going to make, all right? When someone is selling a refrigerator and they tell you that when you buy this refrigerator, you're going to get 1 year free service if anything happens to the refrigerator. If it develops any fault, you are going to get 1 year free service. Or if within a year the refrigerator develops a fault, you can bring it back and we'll replace it with a new one. That's a massive offer. It has taken away every fear from you. It has taken away everything any objection that you might have about buying that. They've taken it away. They put all the problem on themselves. Bring it back and we'll replace it. Within 2 years, if it generates any faults, call us and we will service it for you for free of charge. Buy this generator and you will get 1 or 2 years free of charge service. That is how to make an offer that will take away objection, take away fear from your customers. Do these things and you will make sales. Look for an offer that fits your business. The better your offer, the more people are going to grab those offers. And when you make an offer, make it a limited time offer so that people can rush, as in put an urgency. This product is available from now till Friday, for 2 weeks, we have only 15 pieces left. Put an urgency so that people can rush it. Because when people realize that the product or an offer is always available, they tend to abuse the opportunity. Are we getting it? If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know that you are here with me. Okay? So yes, attract people with your nice creative. Then always use explanatory videos if what you are selling needs people to feed their eyes first. Sometimes you sell to them from the video. Once they watch the video, they are sold. They are like, I'm getting this. Right? So yes, and if your product is the one that will need you to get your order for customers, or to even pay people or give people free of charge, let them just give you a feedback in form of a video review. Use it for adverts. Use it in your funnels. When people contact you on WhatsApp, follow up immediately. Discuss with them. If they need options, send them more pictures. Send them different colors. Send them more videos. Give them different price ranges. Let them pick from the one they can afford. Don't just sit there hoping that they buy. Do something, okay? Do something. So use the right creative. Make an offer. The more offers you make, the more you sell. Okay? If you're selling a phone, you tell them that once you buy this phone, we give you a screen protector for free. People are selling phone there, but you're the only one offering a free screen protector. Do you understand? Or you say, I'm giving you a screen protector and a pouch, this beautiful pouch, for free. People are going to be rushing to your store, because they would have bought that screen protector and they would have bought the pouch. But because you made it free for them, even if it is for a little bit higher amount, they would leave the other people and come to you because of the offer. So if you follow this procedure that I've highlighted in this video, I assure you and I guarantee you that you are going to make more sales. If you have a restaurant, a cafe, and people need to come, make videos of other people having fun. Let your customers speak. Hey guys, come to this place. I always come here to have. If you have a very cool place where people can come, have coffee, and even work from, right? Like a cafe or a coffee lounge, let your customers, your users, let them plead with them to just give you a shout out, a little shout out. Hi guys, I always come out here at Courage Cafe. I love working out from here because I love the environment. It's calm, it's serene. The coffee is 100. Everything is so nice. You may want to check them out. They are here at social address. Boom, use it to run ads. Other people would like to visit that place. Simple, because it does not look like an ad. It looks organic. Go ahead now, implement these things, and I assure you, your sales will skyrocket. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll be there to answer you. If you have any contributions, go ahead and drop them here. Let me see your comments. Let me hear what you think. Let me know what you think about these points that I've dropped in this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you share this video with business owners you know will find it helpful. Share it with as many people as you know will be needing this kind of information. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Cheers.